Welcome back to SmackDown SEO. This section will be on aged domains and where to find a good aged domain with PageRank. Digital Point is one of the most recommended sites out there to use for buying an aged domain. You can find many domains there with high PageRank, DMOZ links, and other quality backlinks. The pricing will vary depending on what you are looking for. But another resource that is great is GoDaddy Auctions. This I like even better because you can find a wide variety of aged domains that are being auctioned off quickly, and you can buy them for as cheap as $5. If someone has purchased a domain through GoDaddy and they do not remember to renew that year, or they don't want to renew their domain that year, then it'll go into an expired domain auction where people can bid on that domain to purchase it. The auction will last for about 7 days and the highest bidder wins the domain. However, if no one bids on that domain, then it will go into the $5 bin. Once it ends up here, it will be listed for just $5, but it'll only be here for 24 hours. And the first one who purchases this domain for $5 will be the new owner. GoDaddy.com deals with such large volumes of domains that there are new $5 domains coming and going every minute. They do charge a fee of $5 to become a member of GoDaddy Auctions, and I definitely think it is worth paying for. Because through GoDaddy Auctions you can find some real gold. There are domains being sold here all the time that are over 10 years of age. They also may carry PageRank and backlinks. Some of these domains are keyword rich and already bring in traffic each day. If you want to have an unlimited amount of article submissions to Article Rank's blog network, then just buy a domain here with a page rank of 1 and register it with Article Ranks. But one of the main reasons that I use this resource is for 301 redirects, which we'll get into in the next video. So here we are at GoDaddy Auctions. I'm a member and this is my account, so I was able to sign in. If you're not a member, obviously you won't be able to have these features, but I believe it's $4.99, just under $5 is what it costs to be a member. What I've done is predefined in this section. I've selected the $5 bargain bin, and these are all the domains going for $5. What you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom and then enable page navigation. Right next to this button to the left, this little notepad, you can click on it and it will export this for you. So I will save this and then we can take a look at the $5 domains. So here's our list of domains from GoDaddy Auctions. They're all for $5. Over here where it says domain age, we can sort this by going into data and sort. And by the way, this is using OpenOffice. You can also use Excel to look at this too. I will sort it descending so we can take a look at the domain age. It's just going to load up here. And as you can see here, the domain age starts at 13 years, goes down to 12. There's a few here that are 12 years old, and then a bunch of them that are 11 years old and 10 years old, and all the way down to 9. This is remarkable because all of these domains that are this old can be bought just for $5. And this isn't an auction type of bidding. This is a buy it now bid. So once you select that, then it's yours. On the left, you can see traffic. And some of these domains are already getting traffic to them. They could even be search engine optimized already and bringing traffic. You can then further analyze the list of keywords by entering them into Google and using SEO Quake like we had used before to check domain age, page rank, and backlinks. As you can tell on this list, you can already see the age, but if you want to see more details, then you can use the SEO Quake method, or you can even use Market Samurai and add this list of URLs into the SEO competition tab to generate further information on this list of domains.